What's up guys, English Dan back at you with another review. So Aukey sent these out. We all know how good Aukey are when it comes to great value for good sounding products, and these are no different. I'll tell you more in a second. Welcome back guys. So yeah, Aukey sent these out to me. These are the B58, EP B58. These are actually a neckband headphone. So they're earbuds. Obviously they've got the wire that goes around your neck, but they're also wireless, so they don't plug into your device. So you know what I'm talking about. Very comfortable, offer some really good sound, really decent battery life, and at a great price at under 30 bucks. I'll get into it more in a second. So yeah, Aukey sent these out. These are them. They've got the magnetic back on them, so they do clip together, which is nice. A lot of these cheaper earbuds don't do that. You don't get the magnetic, so they sway and wobble everywhere, but these do. They've got a good magnet in them as well, so it's not like, you know, it's very flimsy. Once they're stuck, you're going to have to purposely unstick them. So very good when it comes to that. Battery life on these things, you get about 10 hours out of these, which isn't bad, and it only takes 15 minutes to get an extra hour battery life out of them. So these are going to keep you going for a while. The actual band around the neck itself is actually quite thick, but it's not uncomfortable. It's like a very soft rubber, but extremely well built, much better well built than headphones I've used like this with the neckband that are around 50 bucks. These have got a real solid but not breakable band around them. Very, very nice. The controls are on the left hand side of the earbuds, and they work very easy. You can feel the buttons, they're nice and clicky, they're simple to use. So yeah, overall when it comes to comfort and build quality, these are pretty damn nice, especially for under 30 bucks. Now let's talk about the sound quality on these a little bit more. These do have AptX HD, that's what it says, and you can tell as well, it really does sound very, very good. Everything's really clear, some really nice deep bass, but some really clear mids, and the highs sound wonderful. They're not scratchy or anything like that. Under $30, AptX HD, these really do make a big difference when you're listening to them on your Android phone. A very enjoyable listening experience, and highly, highly underrated, I believe. I've not really seen anybody talking about them as yet, and I'm really well impressed when it comes to audio out of these. That was my dog. Sorry about that. My dog's a pain. Now let's talk about comfort. When they go in your ears, very comfort again. They have the little wingtips on, and you just slide them in your ears like so, and they hang like so, just like any other neckband, except that they're really comfortable. They do provide good sound isolation, and they do cut out a lot of the background noise even when you've not got music playing. So yeah, very, very impressed. They're also IPX5 water resistant, so you can work out with these. Sweat, things like that are not going to be an issue for you. They do charge via micro USB, which is a bit of a shame, but again, they're under $30, and they do offer some really good battery life. So yeah, overall, what do I think of the Aukey EP B58? Well, I'm really impressed. I think they're a fantastic value proposition. If you like the neckband style where you get the longer battery life out of the buds, then you're really going to enjoy these. Give them an English Dan thumbs up. Links down there. Take a look, see what you think. Alright guys, I'll be back with another video soon. Thanks.